Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Talia, I'm a snowboarder and a content creator, and this week I'm going to take you along with me and show you why the Insta360 X3 is the best action camera for snowboarding. I'm going to show you how I use it and mount it to capture amazing footage on the slopes. The X3 captures incredible 5.7K 360-degree videos, so you don't even need to think about pointing the camera. There's so many next level creative possibilities for this camera, so let's check it out. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to use the invisible selfie stick. It looks like someone is follow camming you even if you're all alone. You can hold this stick anywhere you want, any direction. I like to go from the front, hold it in my backhand, or towards the side. Just be careful to watch for your surroundings. Here's an easy way to capture GTA shots that literally look like they're out of a video game. Fully extend your selfie stick and attach it to the backpack with the backpack. Tighten your backpack strap so your invisible selfie stick is at a higher angle. Use your backpack as normal and get going. I use this backpack to keep both my hands free. You can use voice control to start and stop your camera so you don't have to touch it while it's on your backpack. The unicorn mount shoots third-person perspective and lets you film hands-free. It's a really unique mount because it shoots your whole body and makes it look like a drone is following you from overhead. Some mounting tips is you put it on your helmet, you put one lens facing forward and one back, and film in 360 mode. If you want to switch up your angles, get a cool POV, you can try the helmet mount. It captures traditional first-person POV shots in 360 and it keeps everything on securely. Keeps your hands free. I wore this in -30 and it was awesome because I didn't have to take my hands out of my gloves. Mounting is super easy. You just click in your camera. You're ready to go. Some mounting tips are that you can position the X3 so the camera lens is pointing directly in front of you and the other one behind you to capture the best 360. Angle your X3 slightly forward to capture less of your helmet and focus more on the views around you. All the mounts are so flexible so you can really get creative. A fun angle is the unicorn mount on the front of your board. It gets sick low angle, board cam, POV, just keep your movements smooth and steady. If you want to skip reframing, use me mode. Me mode is a shooting mode that keeps you in the center of the frame for third person wide angle videos, all while keeping the selfie stick invisible. You can even record 60 frames per second, which gives you epic slow-mo shots. All you have to do is put the camera into me mode, extend the selfie stick, and you're good to go. Thanks to a new integration, you can add real-time stats from your Apple Watch into your footage. It's really easy to do. First, make sure you've updated the Insta360 app to the latest version. Connect your X3 to the Insta360 app before filming to get a time code from your phone. And then you just start to work it on your Apple Watch and hit the slopes and it will record all the data. After you're done filming, sync the data to your Apple Health, then edit your footage in the Insta360 app. Tap Stats, choose Apple Health as a data source, and authorize data sharing with the Insta360 app. When you're done riding for the day and you're ready to edit, the Insta360 app has so many awesome features. ShotLab is an AI tool that edits your videos for you in a few taps. One of my favorites is the Sky Swap. Connect the X3 to the app, choose ShotLab, tap Sky Swap, choose the effect, and export the video. So, this is how I use my Insta360 X3 for amazing snowboarding shots. Hope you learned something. Let me know in the comments what your favorite shot was. Thanks for watching and see you next time.